Right now I'm going to preview about the design that we did in the previous time, uh, so yeah, this one. Okay, so this is the design that we did in the latest live streaming that I did a couple days ago, and we wanna try how do we convert them into the Android application with the XML, because I think the design is very nice. So that's the main thing that we have to try right now, and it's gonna be a little bit hard for us, but why not try? So first of all, I need this kind of this set, so I might have to change it to the icon user photo. Okay, and then we have to export it, try to export them into the PNG or everything, you know but I'm looking for the export. Oh, okay, let me try to come here. We suppose able to export this element, but yeah, I'm still looking for where is this. So I'm going to copy as SVG. Yeah, maybe we are able to copy as SVG, but I'm trying to export it. uh, Maybe we could find here. Oh, I think there is the component, right? So first of all, we have to create a component here, and then we make able to use it everything that we want. And still looking for. So this one, you are able to see there is export. I might go with 4x because I want to get the high resolution. So I'm going to export them, and then I got it. I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it. So this kind of the picture that we're gonna use it into the Android Studio. So let's go. I'm going to open my Android Studio right now. Okay, and then I have to prepare the a drawable over here. Okay, like this. Okay, cool. So whenever you open the Android Studio, you're gonna see there is the icon that we did in the previous video. So make sure you have to watch in the previous video first before you getting jump into this video. So go ahead. I'm trying to make the design looks pixel perfect. So I think that we can go with the emulator, which is Pixel XL, just like this. And we drag here. Okay, so as you can see over here that uh, wait, let me open the Figma. So in the Figma that you see the design is using a two background. So right now that the best thing that we can do just copy this kind of the drawable, because we wanna make like a gradient background. So we have to go to a drawable here. I just simply new drawable resource file, and then background purple gradient. Okay, so the reason why we have to make our shape, because we are still able to make with the shape just like this. Okay, so in the shape we have to use a gradient color, which is start from, and then there is the end of color, and then there is angel. Okay, but how do we get this a color? So if you see in the Figma, we got the first color over here. Just copy here, and then we put back into this section. Okay, and then we need another color here. We copy, and then we have to paste over here. Okay, amazing. So the angel has to be same, because I think that we have to make it like little bit uh, different angel. So yeah, that is it. We come back into the Android, and you got this background. I think just go with 90, maybe 120. Sorry. So basically it's 90, and then it's supposed to be 270, just like this. Okay, cool. And then we just simply to paste the background here, background, and then background purple gradient. Okay, and I think that I don't really need this kind of thing, just delete them. Okay, so right now we got the background purple, and the question is, how do we get the white color of the background? So we have to use view over here, view the end to end. Oh yeah, we already set them, so we don't have to again. Okay, so we got this view, and if you see in the design, there is little bit, like a radius over here. So I think that we have to customize again the background. So you still remember, right? How do we customize them? Oh, hello everyone. Yeah. So I think we have to continue. Okay. So right now over here that I'm going to go to a drawable. So I think just I want to copy them, and we create again another drawable that background header. Okay, and then we put here, like, it has to be solid, and we have to give like the color FFF, but there is also a corner, okay, which is bottom right radius 50 dp and bottom left radius 50 dp, and that's it. And then we just paste it into this section, which is background header. All right, look nice, right? So this is how do we make them, like uh background customization. Okay, so yeah, let's continue into another section that below of the field we have to give the image field. So if you see in the Figma, if you see in the Figma, you see there is sizes of the icon is about 100, and then this is 100 too. So I think that we make to put them 120 and 120 dp, okay, and give them src, which is the icon, what was that, icon user photo. Okay, and then we can give parent top, and then we can give a parent right, and then we can also give the parent left. Okay, and just give the margin like this. Okay, looks amazing, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, so what else do we have here? That we got the welcome back, and then we got also, like the text view. So we have to give we have to get the color. This is the hex code color that we're gonna use it. Okay, so we better copy them, and then we come back again into the Android. So here that I just simply make the text field here, like maybe a rock content and then rock content. And don't forget to give the text color just like that. Okay, and then give the text itself, which is welcome back. Okay, and I'm going to make it bigger, the text size. Okay, it's amazing. I just simply to put here and then give the parent right and then give the parent left. Okay, and then just like this. Okay, welcome back. Okay, so another text is about logging into your account. Okay, I think we just want to duplicate this kind of text field just like this, and then sign in into your account. Okay, and I just want to make it smaller, so maybe just 16, and then this is supposed to be differently. Okay, and then we move to the bottom. I just want to give the parent top and move it. You have to be gently. This is supposed to be red content, and then move gently. Okay, we got it. Welcome back, and then sign in into your account, right? So what else do we have in the design? So we got like uh, sign in title. I think this is just copy from here, and then we got the edit text here. Okay, so let's go ahead. But first, I wanna take a water first. Ah, so tiring. Yeah, but sometimes we have to take a break. I wanna take the water. Really, it's it's a different when you do a live, when you do a live, and then when you do the uh, not live streaming. So it's a little bit different. Okay, and I think that the most important when you walk at the in front of the computer, then you have to provide a lot of water. So that's yeah. Okay, let's continue. I'm going to continue first. So here, okay, maybe that we need to just simply to duplicate this text field, just duplicate them, and then I just want to give another ID, just like this, and then this is supposed to be sign in, okay, and FFF, okay. So we have to move it over here, just like this, okay, and then we could just simply to give the margin like this. Okay, very nice, right? And then we need the another components that we call it, like edit text here. So this is supposed to be edit text, just this text, and then 0 dp and maybe 50 dp. Okay, and then I just want to move here like this, and we give the parent top, give the parent left, and then parent right. Okay, and you'll see that uh, this is the margin top and end. We're supposed to give 30, sorry, yeah, and then 36, and then 36. Okay, so this is called like the negative space of the design, so it make the design looks more beautiful than without any spaces. So yeah, it's really cool. And we have to give like a customized background, but first of all I just want to give the text here, which is a username, but actually this is supposed to be a placeholder, but it's okay. We give the padding left first, 16 dp. I think it's a little bit much. Okay, and then we have to give the text color, okay, like this. Okay, and then we remove the text itself, but we replace with hint. Okay, so the hint color, uh, text hint, text color hint. Okay, the text color here we can just use this one. I think we don't have to change. Yeah, just like it. Okay, it's very nice. So right now we have to customize the background, but I need more water. So tiring. All right. So we have to go to a drawable here. Then we have to background input. Okay, input type. No, just background input. Okay, and the thing that we could use to replace this selector with a shapes. And first we need the solid. Okay, and then we need stroke 1 dp, and then we need corner 8 dp. Okay, so we have to go to the like maybe we have to customize the background color and the solid color. So we have to come back into the Figma. Okay, and we get this color. So this is the color, and then we got the stroke color is F. Okay, so I think that we have to back into the Android. So this one supposed to be a 100 dp, and then this is the fill color and FFF. Okay, and then we give the background here, which is background input. Okay, and I think I'm going to increase this margin. Okay, just like that. Amazing, right? So yeah, that's how do we approach the customization of the edit text, and I hope you enjoy. So right now I think that we just want to duplicate it, just make it more easier for us, because as long that the style is still same, so why not just duplicate them, right? So yeah, we go to the Android here, and I just want to give the input type first, which is text. Okay, and then I just want to duplicate it, put here, and this is for the password. Okay, and just drag here. Okay, and then we have to give like this, the parent top. Okay, amazing, right? And yeah, you can just run it into the emulator, but I think we're gonna run it later on. Okay, so what do we have again in the Figma? So we have to see that is the button with the yellow color. Okay, I just want to copy this, and we move again into the Android. Okay, so in this Android Studio, that we have to customize the background of the button. So as for now, just use the button first here, and then I just want to give 0 dp and then 55 dp. Okay, and I just want to give the parent right and parent left and parent top, just like this. Okay, looks amazing. So yeah, like the previously, that we have to give it about 36, and this one 36, and this one just go with a 20. Okay, and one more thing that we have to do is the text size 20 sp, and then text itself, which is sent in, and we don't want to give alt caps, so just make it false like this. Okay, and we have to go to a drawable to customize the background. So here we have to background button primary. Okay, and we have to give shape here. We need the solid color, oops, and we need the corner. Okay, maybe just go with 200. Okay, and then here we just simply to give the background button primary. Okay, you'll see there is our button, the yellow one. It's very nice, right? And then we have to go back into the Figma. I just want to get this the hex code color, just copy, and then we could just go back into the Android and give the text color. Okay, wow, amazing, wow. Yeah, so that is the sign in screen like we did in the Figma. But I think that we have to give the text color here. Yeah, just like this. And then this one also text color here. Okay, just like this. Yeah. So what do you think, guys? It's nice, right? So yeah, that is the sign in. But there is one more thing that we could use, like a text view. So yeah, we are able to make the text view here right now. So if you see in the Figma, there is the text view here. Okay, so we have to do this in the Android Studio. So I just want to simply copy from this text view and put under of this button. Okay, and then we just want to give text view maybe 3. Okay, and this is for the reset my password, and make it smaller, maybe just a 14 sp. Yeah, and then I think we can go with the 16. Okay, and give this and margin top, sorry, the parent top, and we have to give this like, maybe this is just 8 dp, it's supposed to, but I just want to like this and give again and give again like this. Okay, so it has to be center. All right, looks nice. Okay, so right now I'm going to try to run into the emulator. So I'm using the FED Android virtual device, and I just want to run it into the emulator. Okay. So I'm going to add another screen window capture, and then I will to give the emulator. mm, I choose the Android emulator. Yeah. Okay. Wow, it's a little bit bigger. The emulator has to be smaller. Okay. So this is the my first app, but it's still Gradle build, so you have to wait for a couple minutes. Okay. While waiting, I'm going to answer the live control code. We could use a text view and give the event. Okay, so right now it's still installing the APK. If you see on the below of this progress, so maybe we have to wait for the couple minutes. It's take long. Okay. Uh, okay, so here is that the application. Okay, so there is the you know the header. So I think we have to go to a value and styles, and this one supposed to be no action bar. Okay, and then for the color, I think we could uh, the primary dark. We just want to make it purple. Okay, amazing, right? And now we want to, sorry, I supposed to put this somewhere. Okay, wait. I supposed to put this emulator somewhere here, and then camera maybe here. Okay, so yeah, If you see here in the colors, we change it to the purple. Okay, we change to the purple, and then in the styles, we change to the no action bar. Okay, so I'm going to try again to run it into the emulator. So yeah, I better to just run it into the emulator, and then we have try again. Okay, just wait for the couple minutes because we want to upload it into the emulator. We want to run it. So yeah. Okay, as you can see, there is no more header. Wow, very nice, right? But the problem is about the reset password over there. So the reset password is uh, little bit down. Okay, so I think that I just need to make it little bit top on it. Okay, and then yeah, if you see on the emulator, the reset password has to be top. So yeah, just try it first. Okay, and try to run again into the emulator. So we're waiting for the emulator. You can just follow my video first, follow my steps. Okay, so it's still installing the APK. So we better just wait for a couple minutes. I'm going to. Okay, so right now the reset password is over there and it's perfectly clearly. Okay, so maybe in the next video that I'm going to show you about another thing of this Android user interface. So as for now, it's just like this. And thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next live streaming. So sorry for a bad pronunciation and bad connection sometimes. Okay, so do not forget to share it and subscribe and put a comment in the video so I'm getting now about your feedbacks. Okay, so thank you very much and yeah, bye.